Hi everyone, today we are going to create a Pichwai style lotus pond together. We'll begin with a lotus flower. Start with the petals in the center and slowly build the flower by adding the outer petals. Don't worry about making every petal exactly the same. A little variation makes the flower look more natural. Next, add a lotus bud. Draw a simple pointed shape with a few curved lines to show the petals. Now create a lotus seed pod. Start with a small rounded shape and add a few little circles to show the seeds. Then add a thin curved stem underneath. Now for the iconic Pichwai lotus leaves. Unlike flat lily pod, these are drawn at an angle, looking like upstructured cups or bowls. Sketch the rim with a soft wave. Drop a clear V-notch at the base and add clean parallel veins radiating upward. To fill out the composition, let's add the remaining lotuses. I am placing smaller side-facing flowers in the empty spaces along with delicate teardrop-shaped buds that are just waiting to bloom. Finally, work on the water. The water waves. Instead of straight lines, Pichwai art uses dense overlapping layers of semicircular ripples. Take your time drawing these concentric arches behind your flowers to create incredible texture and movement. If this is a pencil drawing, you can add more ripple lines to create movement in the water. If you're planning to paint it, you don't need all the ripple details now. Just a few curved guidelines are enough. And there we go. Let's start painting. Traditionally, Pichwai paintings are made using natural colors and pigments. For this painting, I am using Himi gouache colors, but you can use poster colors, gouache or acrylic, whichever medium you prefer, you can use it. First, we need to mix white with crimson to make a light pink shade for the lotus petals. Apply this base color to the lotus petals. Now add a little darker crimson along the edges. Gently smudge it inward to blend the colors. Let's mix colors for the leaves. For the darker parts of the lotus leaves, we are going to mix green with black. After that, for the lighter parts, we are going to mix it yellow ochre with green and black. Apply this green plus black mixture for the lotus seed part and the edge of the lotus leaves. Use the lighter shade on the upper areas of the leaves to create depth and dimension. Add little more green where you want a softer and lighter shade. As you see, I am using dark green shade for the outline of the lotus stem and the leaves. For the water, mix Persian blue, green and a touch of black. Apply this mixture across the water area, keeping some variation in the shades to create depth. Once the base colors are dry, we can add the fine water ripples and other small details with white paint. For the outline, I am using crimson for the lotus flowers and black for the lotus leaves and the stems. And there we go. Our beautiful lotus pond is complete. Let me know in the comments what you think of this painting, and don't forget to subscribe for more art tutorials. Thank you.